what is a Medicare set-aside? So for most people, this will never come into play. You don't have to watch this video. But if you're watching this video, you might have been injured and have a workers' comp claim. And you're like, well, I heard that there could be some kind of complication, and that is true. Or you got in a car wreck, or you have some other type of injury from another third party. And the government, starting in 2001, I think, said, you know what? Let's save the federal government, Medicare, some money. And if there's anybody else that is responsible, we're going to make them pay first. Medicare can pay second. It's called the Medicare Secondary Payer Rule. So what it means is if you are going to get a big lump sum lawsuit settlement because you got in a car wreck and Medicare paid for all your injuries when you were in that car wreck, that as long as your settlement is over $25,000, Medicare is going to want money back for the care they paid for you, which kind of makes sense. Like if somebody else hurt you, they should have paid for your hospital bills instead of Medicare, right? So it does kind of make sense. It does make it a little bit more complicated, as if Medicare wasn't complicated enough. There's two ways to do a Medicare set-aside. If you know you're going to be in one of these positions, before you get that settlement and you spend it all or invest it all and lock it away and you can't get to it, you can self-administer it. Hard. Or you can hire, it's typically an attorney. There are special attorney firms that specialize in Medicare set-asides. Google's your friend, you can find one that way. And they can help you structure it so you don't get in the position where either you spent all the money and now you owe money back, or like I said, you locked it into investments with a surrender period that you can't get to your money because you're going to have to pay Medicare back. So another wrinkle in this is if you're not even on Medicare yet, you could be caught in this little maze because the law says if you are eligible for Medicare within 30 months. And I like it when they don't pick these like yearly amounts. Like what? Just made it 24 months. No, 30 months. So if I'm eligible for Medicare within 30 months, they could require me to do a Medicare setback. So maybe I got in an accident at work and it gave me permanent damage to my spine. When I get to Medicare, even though the injury didn't happen on Medicare, it happened 30 months back at my job before I retired. They're going to come for me for some of that money that I got paid for my injury at work, even though I wasn't on Medicare at that time. Like I said, it kind of makes sense. It's still going to make you frustrated, but it does kind of make sense. The federal government is trying to push that burden off and save themselves some money. If you have more questions about Medicare, check out all the free information we have available on our website, themedicarefamily.com. I add new information every day. If you have questions at the top of the page, there's a little search button. Whatever you're trying to learn more about on Medicare, hit the search button and I'll be able to help you. Thanks. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.